Own huge IT equipment installed bases around the world and need visibility? Discover our asset management solution. It will bring you a lot more than visibility. A large IT installed base not properly monitored means unreliable and inconsistent data quality. This can lead to security and business disruption risks, operational inefficiencies, and undue financial costs. Our asset management solution offers you a comprehensive vision based on solid and reliable data. It allows for real-time access to all your owned equipment coverage in terms of licenses and maintenance. At any time, you can view your installed base by geography, technology, or age. Our solution relies on 3 pillars. Firstly, the quality of data through automated links with vendors' information. They ensure consistency between what is in Orange Business Database and in the vendors' databases. Second, the designation of a dedicated asset manager. In charge of maintaining the integrity of your data, he or she will cross-check the data with vendors and undertake corrective actions when needed. Other responsibilities include organising regular reviews or alerting you on specific occasions. The last pillar is a portal, My Inventory, allowing you to access all this information at any time. For example, you can search assets for which the manufacturer support ends. You can also have an exhaustive view of all your support contracts. When you own a large IT installed base, the benefits of an asset management solution are plain and largely measurable. They include improved operational efficiency and mitigation of risks exposure, as well as cost savings and financial optimization. Knowing the installed base well also allows to better anticipate budget needs. In a nutshell, you'll save time, money, and worries. Today, we manage 3.4 million assets on behalf of their owners. We know that 70% of these assets will go end of life over the next 5 years. In this context, an IT asset management solution is clearly a must-have for large groups. Our asset management is a non-intrusive, simple, robust and reliable solution. Orange Business is best positioned to deliver it, as we have a long experience of managing IT environments and corporation networks across 6 continents. Early adopters of this solution are very happy, already benefiting from visibility, control, and financial security. What about you? Ready to jump in?
Orange Business.